This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, steering wheel memory settings, cruise control, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and alloy wheels. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.